Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore or repair a damaged document in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let me open a Microsoft PowerPoint document. Just delete whatever exists already. Now I have a damaged document that is placed right on my desktop. So I would click on Insert, Pictures, this device, and click on Desktop. And here is the document that I would like to make changes to or to restore it to its original state. This is just a simple paper. You might have your academic documents, your transcripts, or some memos, or any kind of document can be rectified by this way. Just stretch it a bit so that it looks good to work with. Now you can see that here are some ink scribblings scattered on this particular document. You can see we have some extra part attached to it, which we don't want in this particular document. So the first thing that we would do is just double click over it and go to crop, click on crop, and you can see in all corners as well as in the middle we have some rectangular handles that can be drawn in. Similarly, from this side we can draw in this particular handle so that anything extra can be removed. Click outside and here we go. If in case your document is too much damaged and some of the text can't be read or it's too much black, then you can click over here in the picture format, click on picture corrections, and here we have some options to work with. For example, sharpness, brightness, contrast, picture color, and crop, etc. But most important of all of these is sharpness, brightness, and contrast. You can also see that we have been given some presets. You can see we have been given some presets, but let me show you the presets in case of brightness. If I'm gonna click on over here, which has brightness plus 20% and contrast minus 40%, then you can see the oldish color that this document carried is gone. If the document that you are working doesn't fall within these presets, then you can increase or decrease the brightness from here. You can see we can decrease the brightness or increase the brightness. And similarly, we can also work with sharpness right from here. Just scroll up and down, and wherever the things looks good, you can leave it over there. I think this much sharpness is okayish for this particular document, so I won't tweak this much. But the main thing that we have to do is to remove these scribblings. For this, you just need to go to Insert, click on Shapes, and click on this rectangle. Just increase its size to the level so that it could cover everything underneath it. Now we have to select a color. If you see, the document color is a little bit grayish as compared to the background color of this particular document. So I want this particular color that this document carry should be sprinkled within this rectangle. Otherwise, it would look quite odd. For this to do, we will go to Fill Shape, click on Eyedropper, and I would pick the color right from here. And here we go. You can see its color got changed. There is an outline, and you can go to Shape Outline and No Outline, and here we go. Its outline is gone. You can increase it a little bit. Now you can copy it and paste it over here. Bring it over here, rotate it, stretch it, and stretch down a little bit. You can also extend it a little bit more, just to the level that it could cover the part that you would like to remove. Actually, I was showing you how to remove the dots or the black spots or things like that on your document. Let me go again to Insert, and this time I'm gonna pick up this oval shape. I would click over it, and again I'm gonna fill it with this color, remove the shape outline, just bring it over here, and now you can copy and paste it so that these scribblings can be removed. Let me do it quickly. Similarly, let me fine tune these little scribblings that are still there over here. Now, if you look closely at the document, you can see it has been rectified greatly. Now, there are no more that much spots, black dots or scribblings over here, over on the document. Now you can go to File, Export, change file type. Let me change it to JPEG. Click on Save as, Desktop. Give it a name, Save. Now, here is the document that we have created just now. And this was the document that was there before corrections. You can see there is a great difference between the two. I hope you have learned something new in this video. Thanks for watching.